May our devotion to Our Lady of Lourdes may now be translated into mission. And as we pray, with our hands joined together, after our prayer, may the hands be open and reach out to others. And let the hands of yours be God's hands that may touch and transform our lives. May our devotion to heaven lead us to mission. Heaven, your song of God's goodness in you. Gagawin na po natin ngayon ang pagpapaspas ng lalamunan dahil ngayon po ay kapiyastahan din po the same place. Gagabayan po tayo ng ating mga ushers para po sa blessing. Gagawin po natin ngayon ang pagkalaan ng panalangin. Pagkatapos dito, pipila po kayo and you will be guided with our greeters. At yung mga lay ministers namin with the blessed candles will approach you at ilalagay po yung candle din po na nakakross sa radio for the blessing. And we pause for a while and compose ourselves for the prayer.